Okay, today's adventure is not going to be the Osgood trails. We've had storms all day, and there's storms approaching. If you take a look at the sky, from what I can tell on radar, we got about an hour, maybe an hour and a half before they come. Again, I'm here at the Ohio River, obviously, and it's a mess. You can tell people have been fishing down here all week. I hate it when people leave their garbage, but let's not get into that. Guys, I did hike down here without the wagon. I hope I didn't cause further problems with my back. We'll get into that, but right now I'm going to camera up, get my dough ball out. Yes, we're just using dough balls today, and we're just here for a short time to fish. I hope I can catch that big carp that I hooked down there, what, about 2 weeks ago? Hope I can catch him again. Remember, I had him on, then he got off, and he was a monstrous carp, and it was done on a dough ball. So, guys, we're going to get out there, camera up, and I got lots to talk about. Sure do. Okay, guys, real quick. I hope the wind ain't dickering this over, because it's also very windy. Next, okay, this should be your Monday. Hopefully Tuesday, or hopefully Wednesday and Friday's video, hopefully it will be hiking. My next hiking trip, guys, give me a minute. Let me get my composure, all right? I got so many things going through my head at this moment. It's hard to videotape. Let me get my composure. Okay. I hope I don't get a bite right here. If I do, it could injure me because I got my pole. I'm actually sitting on it, and you know. But hopefully my next video will be a hiking trip. Now that's going to be a week from me from now. I'm going to use that week to try to strengthen my back. My back is feeling a lot better, unless I just dickered it over by carrying all the stuff down here. I won't know until tomorrow morning. But in case it doesn't, I'm going to strengthen my back. My next hiking trip, we're going to revisit the railroad track in Madison. It's one of my favorite hikes of all time. My back has been improving. I'm hoping I can strengthen it up this week. And we will start off on that hiking trip. We'll also get a fish in. So I'm going to try to fish as many times as I can before it gets too dang cold. As far as fishing goes, we're hoping to go to Osgood Trails. I wanted to go there today and picnic and fish all day, but Mother Nature had its own idea. And that wind might be dickering us over. Alright guys, I'm going to fish. Hopefully I can catch something. Beat the storm coming in. And we're just going to go from there. I really should do this vlog entry by standing up, but I'm not going to. So today's vlog entry is more than likely going to be me sitting down, unless I catch the fish. But no, with all the garbage that people leave behind, a lot of people fish this spot on the Ohio. Or, as Angie puts it, or is it just convenient? Either or, maybe I'm hoping it's a good spot. Now, we did catch all kinds of fish every time we've been to Ohio the last couple times. But does that mean we're going to catch them today? I really don't know. There's my pole. I'm using one pole. My other one's on standby right over here by Angie in case I get a snag. But it was here back about 2 weeks ago. We was down on the riverbank down that way a little bit. I hooked the biggest fish I've ever hooked in my life. It was so powerful, it was dang near pulling the poles right out of my hand. And then I let go. And that was on a dough ball. And the neat thing about this is, let's say this is a very good place to fish. Let's say this is like one of the #1 places to fish in my town. Let's pretend it is. Well, if that's the case, you won't have to worry about it ever being fished out. This is the Ohio River, my friends. It's an endless supply of fish. Over 80 species of fish in here alone. And you just see that one jump right yonder? That was kind of cool. Got my first snag, had to break it. That is the downside to fishing here. If I could ever figure out how to get off a snag by breaking my line, everything would be perfect. But I had to break the line, but that's why I brought 2 pulls. Guys, they are biting. I'm getting bites, but how in the world can I keep from getting snags? Thanks to my wife, my other pull has the hook and sinker and all that crap on it again. So I'm back on my other pull, which is dumpster. I didn't get any bites. Somehow I lost my bait, but guys, hopefully this storm will hold off. But it sure is windy. Okay, let's get it back out there again. I'm not doing that many vlog entries because I want to try to get a fish. You understand, don't you? Now, you know we go underneath a railroad track when we come back here, right? I'll probably get some footage on the GoPro on the way out, but here's your train. Now, that's not an active track. They just park the cars on there sometimes. So every now and then, you see railroad cars on there. Kind of cool, huh? My wife's over here trying to figure out what we're going to have for supper. She says hot dogs. That's not bad. I had an urge for hot dogs the other day. Then she says sauerkraut and dumplings. You got to be out of your cotton picking mind, but my father used to love sauerkraut.
I love sauerkraut.
Now, you remember when we first got here, I said people are leaving their garbage behind. Let me show you something. Right there's worm containers. I'm wondering if there's worms in there still. Then you got the barbecue chip bag, and I'm not sure what they had in that, probably chicken livers. You got a bottle there, you got some garbage right over there, you got some more garbage right back there. Before I leave here, I will pick up other people's garbage, and there's a bin back there that looks like it's an old flower pot. I will put it in there. I didn't bring no garbage bags with me. If I did, I'll put it on the garbage bag and take it home and throw it away in my garbage can. Okay, I was holding my pole, right? I can't see my string because of being cloud cover and all that stuff. And the front of my pole was just slowly bending down like that. I should have pulled on it. I should have pulled on it. Instead, I was like, that's interesting. Look at that, Angie. And Angie's like, you didn't pull on it? No, I didn't. I should have set the hook. But you can't see your string. Nah, not the cloud cover and everything. Okay, I'm going back out again. I can only do a vlog entry whenever I change my bait. Alright, we're going to probably give it 45 minutes more, but I want to tell you, I've been seeing huge, I do mean monster-sized fish jump up and out of the water. If only I can hook one of the monsters. But if I do, I do. If I don't, I don't. By the way, the storms broke up. We look like we're in the clear. Okay, we're down to about 30 more minutes to fish, and I haven't been getting any bites since we first got here. I've seen a big fish jump out of the water, but you know, it doesn't matter because I'm sitting here thinking. Of course, Angie's here in the cow over on the other side of the river. I don't know if I ever told you guys this or not, but that's Kentucky right there. Angie's here in the cow over there somewhere. Me, I'm sitting here humming a song from Rhett and Link. Yeah, I don't know if you know who they are. And I'm really relaxed. I mean, listening to the waves come in, looking at the beauty behind me that you see, look at that. I'm so relaxed down here. I think this might be what the doctor ordered. Or me, I ordered it. Just saying. Okay, I got snagged up again, broke everything off. That fishing pool's done till next week. I didn't bring the net with me this time. Let me show you why. We catch the big one, all we have to do is bring them right up to the shore. That's the beauty about fishing the Ohio River. Okay, I'm going out one more time, give it about 15-20 minutes, which is going to be longer than I thought we'd be fishing. And we catch them, we do, we don't, we don't. But it's been a very relaxing evening. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and send it out. Well, guess what? I got a hold of one of the monsters again. Oh yeah, I did. And I was bringing him in. Guess what happened? He broke my line. That's right, he broke it. 15-pound test, he snapped it. All you could do, I think I did get some of the video. I don't know if you can hear this in the video, but you can hear my fish just a humming. And he broke my freaking line. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Well, that's it, guys. We're done. We're done for the day. Oh, Ohio River, you never fail, man. You never fail. I have so much fun. I've been to this spot 3 times now. And all 3 times you pleased. Oh, guys, this is local. This is very local to home. All right, we're going to get some footage going up to the car. Got to pack all the stuff up. Then we're going to go get some supper. And I will give my closing thoughts at the car. My God, I can't believe he just broke my line. Oh, I hope some of that came out on the video. I really do. See, sometimes the GoPro hesitates before you turn it on, but I hope some of it came out. Here's a boat to look at. Here we go. Just enjoying this evening. Fudge! Oh, I gotta go back out there again. I gotta go back out. Oh man, I'm out of bait. Oh man, I'm out of bait.
No, you still got a little bait down here.
Okay, I'm going back out.
If you have a hook.
Oh my gosh, are you serious?
Yeah, you ain't got a hook.
He broke my line.
You ain't got
That fish just broke my line. And it's all over your hair.
Yeah, you ain't got nothing.
Oh my gosh. And this is 15-pound test right here. It broke it. Oh my Lord. Okay, we made it up. If everything goes good this week, my back continues on healing. We're going to head out to the Madison Railroad track hike. It's my favorite hike up to date. But Angie says Tuesday we may have some time after 5 o'clock. And if we, okay, people are asking if we did any good. So Angie's telling them, but maybe then we'll come back down here and fish. Okay, we arrived at home. I was going to do some more down there, but a good old boy was talking to me and he was giving me some good info. He says the Ohio River during fall time, especially October, is really hitting for the bigger cats, carp, and he also said the fish I might have had on there might have been a gar, and it snapped my line. I'm betting he probably was right. It's probably a gar I caught. I've never caught a gar before, but that's what they do. They snap your line. More than likely, that's what it was. So, guys, we will catch you soon. I'm going to head in. I know it's your all's Monday. I won't be able to do any more video, maybe till Tuesday. I don't know. If not, I won't be able to do any till weekend. That's how I get most of my videos, is on the weekends, y'all. And through the week, I edit, and, you know, that's how I do it. But until next time, come on, let's get out of here. I have to say, even though we didn't catch any fish, I had one of the best times I've ever had. Just saying. We'll see you next time.